Hello everyone, this is Hamid from Rodeo Realty. I'm a realtor based in Los Angeles. On my channel, I'm gonna show you inside of the $1 million listing in Los Angeles. Today we are here at Bell Canyon, California. This is a beautiful home. Let's take a look inside. As you can see, this home has a spacious kitchen. It has 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, over 2,800 square feet living area, and over 23,000 square foot lot. And this home is priced for $1.795. Here is backyard with barbecue area and the pool. If you need more information about this house, you can always find my contact information in the description. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to see the future listings.